let's see what's ready to harvest today on the farm. See, this one has some nice give. It's got some nice color. Comes off the vine easy. That's a nice one. So these are passion fruit vines, and they're just starting off. So when we're picking passion fruit, we're looking for good color, and we're also looking for the fruit to be slightly soft. When you could press into the fruit and it has some give, that's a great indication that it's ready to come off the vine. If we wait too long to harvest the fruit, then we risk birds and rats and all sorts of different pests from getting to the fruit. So we don't wait too long. See, this one has some nice give, it's got some nice color, comes off the vine easy. That's a nice one. See, this one's still too firm. Even though it has some color, it's just not there yet. So we're gonna let that one wait. Some give, it's ready to go. Still firm. Now this variety of passion fruit is one that needs to be hand pollinated. Whenever we plant these trellises, we're going to be using the purple possum variety, which is a self-pollinating, very sweet kind of passion fruit. Very prolific as well. I feel like it would outperform this variety. We had a good amount of fruit fall in the past few days because we've been combating some very cold weather here in South Florida that we're not used to having. We had some night temperatures of all the way down into the mid-30s. Some people were even reported some frost on their lawn and their roofs. So this is known as Jaboticaba, or Brazilian tree grape. So as you can see, Jaboticaba grows on the stem of the trees. It's a Brazilian favorite. It's a very impressive tree when it's in full bloom. This is just an off-season crop now. But if you look at the branches, you can see some flowers just coming in and some young fruits. Hopefully as the weather warms up, we'll get a lot more flowers and a heavy fruit set. So this is what today's harvest is looking like. We harvested almost 200 pounds of Sapodilla, 18 pounds of passion fruit, and now we're off to the next farm.